talking to me?
Yeah, why not?
I'm trying to teach myself to stay on my back foot.
You'll do great. You'll do great. Okay. So we go and whisk a 2, 3, and a 4, 5, a 6, 7, a 8. 1, a 2, 3, and a 4, 5, a 6, a 7. Catch the hand 8. We go 1, 2, and 3, and 4. We go 5, a 6. Forward. 7. Quick, quick, forward. Quick, quick, forward. Quick, quick, reverse. Turn, step, and 8. So that's what we're going to finish the last one, yeah? Okay, you just tell me when you're ready.
It's going.
Perfect, okay, so we're going to do just an exercise of 3-step turn and throw reverse turn. So I'll do a regular reverse turn first. So we're dancing. Slow, back, side, close. And if I add the turn onto it, it's 1, 2, back, side again. 1, 2, back, side, close. That way you can have it to practice. I'll post that one.
Okay. Good
Okay,
deal.
so now, Kevin, will you dance it with me? Just kind of nice and easy.